Alright guys, today let's talk about limits, okay? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to find limits when s tends to be minus 2, okay? So let's get started to what I just said. So whenever you have something like this, when s tends to minus 2 and you're giving this absolute value, okay? So it is essentially the same thing as writing when s is less than minus 2, the same thing as writing s minus bracket minus 2, s minus 2, okay? When x is less than what? When s is less than what? And 2, okay? So when s is less than 2, you're going to express something like this. So when s is greater than 2, it is essentially the same as writing s minus 2. When s is greater than 2, you're going to have s minus 2, okay? And when s is less than 2, it's going to be this negative there, okay? So the negative stands. So if I have to rewrite this limit, it's going to be limit x as s raised approaches minus 2. So I'm still going to write my x plus 1 everything raised to a cube minus 27 divide all this as the absolute value. We are going to use this particular set because it's less than minus 2, and when it's less than minus 2, then put it equal to, and when it's less than minus 2, you're going to be minus brackets x minus 2, okay? So this is what we are working on, okay? So this can be essentially can be written as limit s tends to be minus 2. This is what x plus 1 everything raised to power 3 minus 3 raised to power 3 everything over what minus bracket x minus 2, okay? So let's look at the identity of difference of 2 cube, okay? So for identity of difference of 2 cube, when you have a minus b cube, is essentially the same thing as writing bracket open bracket let's say a minus b close bracket and open bracket a square plus ab plus b square, okay? So our numerator will mirror this identity, okay? So this limits limit as s approaches minus 2. Our a in this context is what? S plus 1, okay? A in this context is what? S plus 1. So let me write s plus 1 minus b. Our minus b is minus 3, okay? Okay. Our a square is what? S plus 1 square. This plus our ab in this place, that means this context is that everything, all the values will be positive, okay? So it's going to be our a is what? S plus 1, and our b is what? Our b is what? Is 3, okay? And plus b square. B square is 3, so b 3 is about 3, okay? So let me close it. Let me close this bracket. Everything over what is minus bracket s minus 2, okay? So it means we need to simplify further, okay? So this can be written as limits as x tend to be minus 2. If we open this bracket, it's going to be what? X plus 1 minus 3, okay? This is what it means, okay? Y this side, we're essentially going to repeat it twice, okay? S plus 1 times s plus 1, okay? This plus 3 times x is what? 3x plus 3 times 1 is what? Is 3. This 3 is going to distribute among between x plus 1, okay? And plus 3 square. 3 square, since I'm writing 3 times 3, okay? And 3 times 3 is what? Is 9, okay? So let me close it. Everything divided by minus bracket x minus 2, okay? and close the bracket. Let's continue from where we stopped. We have s as s approaches minus 2. Um, Here is what s plus 1 minus 2 is going to writing s minus 2. Okay, so in this context, let me put it as what a bracket, because 1 minus 3 is what minus 2. Okay, so in this particular side, we are going to multiply x times x times x is what x times x is what is s square. X times 1 is what plus x. X times 1 is also plus x. X times 1 times 1 is what 1. Okay, um okay, let me see, write it in this form. Plus 3x. 3 plus 9 is what? 3 plus 9 is 12. Okay, everything divided by minus bracket x minus 2. Okay, definitely x minus 2, x minus 2, this cancel this. Okay, so we are left with what? Minus 1. Okay, so let's write it again. So the same write it as limit as x approaches minus 2. So let's write this side. So here becomes our x square. X plus x is what? 2x. Okay, so 2x plus 1 plus 3x plus 12. Okay, everything. This one I've changed to what? Minus. So our minus is going to write what? Minus 1. Okay, so let me clean all this side. I'm still going to write my limit as s tends to be minus 2. So our x, as it tends to be minus 2, and if I were to collect uh if I were to collect the left hand, this is what our x square. 2x plus 3x is 5x. Okay, because 2x plus 3 is 5x. 2x plus 3x is 5x. 1 plus 12. 1 plus 12 is what? Is 13. Okay. Okay, everything over what? Minus 1. Okay, so all we need to do is to substitute these two to the x variables, and we have to substitute 2 to x variable. We're going to have minus we're going to have 2 raised to power 2 plus 5 bracket 2 plus 13. Okay, everything over what? Minus 1. Okay, so if I have to elevate to solve, then it's going to still be um s 2 square is interacting 2 times 2, which is what? 4, plus 5 times 2 is what? Is 10, plus this is our 13, everything over what? Minus 1. Okay, so all you need to do is just to add them together. 4 plus 10 is what? 4 plus 10 is what? 14. 14 plus 13 is what? 27. So as limits, as s tends to be minus 2, we have what? 27 over what? Minus 1. And 27 divided by minus 1 is essentially what? Minus 27. So minus 27 is our final answer to this question. Okay, mastering the craft is very important whenever we are talking about limits. Understanding the basic concept is the major thing you need to understand. Okay, so if you don't understand this, you can watch my previous videos on limits. Okay, so yeah, you can grab what the basic concept about what limit entails. Okay, so for more informative content, don't forget to like, share, and follow my channel, James Math Academy. Until see you next time.